Plug Power plugged into a letter of intent with Hy2Gen to provide a 5-megawatt PEM electrolyzer for the Sunrise hydrogen production project in Sagnes, France. The electrolyzer will support the production of RFNBO certified hydrogen, helping Plug Power advance its European growth strategy. It will also assist in hydrogen transport and expand its forklift solutions in the region. This collaboration builds on existing partnerships between Plug and Hy2Gen, including the Project Courant in Quebec, Canada. This also follows an out-of-this-world deal, where Plug Power recently secured a $2.8 million contract with NASA to supply up to 218,000 kilograms of liquid hydrogen to its Glenn Research Center and Neil A. Armstrong Test Facility in Ohio. This marks the company's first liquid hydrogen contract with NASA, validating the reliability and purity of its hydrogen supply for high-stakes operations. The contract enhances Plug Power's reputation and technological credibility, offering validation from a major client in aerospace. NASA's strict purity requirements highlight Plug Power's capabilities, further supporting the company's position in the growing industrial hydrogen market. Plug Power has also made strides in improving its financial position, raising $431.25 million through convertible notes to refinance debt. This restructuring removes financial hurdles and provides the company with more flexibility for expansion. Plug Power plans a shareholder meeting in January 2026 to vote on increasing its authorized shares from 1.5 billion to 3 billion, ensuring it has the capital needed for future projects. While we wait for that, Flux Power announced its participation in the iAccess Alpha Virtual Best Ideas Winter Investment Conference from December 9th to 10th. CEO Krishna Vanka and CFO Kevin Royal will present the company's vision and participate in one-on-one meetings with investors. Perhaps this is when there'll be more details on Flux Power's battery monitoring technology patent. It was granted a U.S. patent for its proprietary technology that determines the state of health, SOH, of lithium-ion battery packs. The system uses advanced algorithms and predictive modeling to continuously monitor battery performance, including factors like discharge depth, cycle life, and cell balancing. This innovation aims to extend the lifespan of batteries and optimize energy efficiency, particularly in industrial applications, such as material handling and airport ground support equipment. The patented technology offers several advantages, including predictive maintenance by providing real-time insights into battery health, which allows for proactive maintenance and reduces unplanned downtime. It also ensures greater fleet uptime by optimizing charging patterns and minimizing interruptions, which is crucial for multi-shift operations. The technology lowers the total cost of ownership by reducing the need for frequent battery replacements and lowering service costs. Additionally, continuous monitoring improves safety by preventing overheating, overcharging, and voltage imbalances. In the recycling realm, Aduro Clean Technologies partnered with ECOCE, a nonprofit environmental organization in Mexico, to explore hydrochemolytic technology, HCT, as a solution for recycling flexible plastic packaging. Mexico faces a significant plastic waste challenge, generating approximately 6 to 7 million tons of plastic waste annually, with flexible plastics being a particularly difficult waste stream to recycle. These materials, often multi-layered and mixed with various polymers, are not easily processed through conventional recycling methods and often end up in landfills or incineration. Under the multi-year collaboration, ECOCE will provide post-consumer flexible plastics from its national collection systems, while Aduro will conduct hydrochemolytic testing at its facilities to assess the technology's ability to process these materials. The goal is to determine the effectiveness of HCT in turning mixed plastics into valuable liquid hydrocarbons, which can be used as feedstock for petrochemical processes like steam cracking, potentially addressing the challenges in Mexico's recycling systems and supporting a circular economy for flexible plastics. Independent pilot trials have shown that oil produced through HCT can be directly processed in steam crackers, delivering high yields of key chemicals like ethylene and propylene, essential for new plastic production, with minimal post-treatment required. The collaboration aims to study the scalability of HCT in Mexico and explore business models that could involve Aduro, ECOCE members, or third parties. The project is set to formally begin in January 2026, with initial activities already underway, including Aduro's presentation at the second Sustainable Flexible Packaging LATAM conference in Mexico City. Moving ahead, this partnership is seen as a significant step toward advancing chemical recycling solutions for flexible plastics in Mexico. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.